Hi, I'm John from John's Jeep Garage. This is a quick video about replacing door pins on a 1998 Jeep Wrangler TJ. Today I was trying to take the doors off and bring the top down so my daughter could have some fun in her Jeep. And just so happened when you want to do something like that, you end up with a frozen bolt and a strip nut. So tried a little bit with regular tools, and then I just said I'm gonna cut this thing off, and ended up cutting the bolts and then pounded them through, put some new pins in. I already had some pins. I had a plan to replace them anyway, but it's a quick video. You can see which pins I bought, see the process in doing it, and then if you have any questions, just send it to me in the comments. But if it helps you, then I would really appreciate you liking the video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. We're trying to get more subscribers and try to build this thing up, and would appreciate it. Cheers. Have a great evening. Thank you. These nuts were frozen on there and were stripped, so I had to cut them off. Now I'll just take a hammer, pop them off, and put on the new pins. Replacing the door pins on my 1998 TJ. See the part number 38447. You can see that it's Dorman, D-O-R-M-A-N. Pretty much 2 pins and the nuts that go with it. Need to tap these out. As you can see how they fit in here. Using a punch, not my screwdriver. I have the new one. Put it in. Notice these knurls to let it seat. .13mm wrench. Just a snug fit. Hey, and we're done. It's now easy to remove and put back on. Thank you for visiting. Please like and subscribe.